Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a present continuous tense quiz. If you haven't watched the previous parts, make sure you do. I link them down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. I dash the answer. The correct option is no. I know the answer. Question 2. She dash chocolate. The correct option is C. Likes. She likes chocolate. Question 3. We dash in honesty. The correct option is believe. We believe in honesty. Question 4. He dash to buy a new phone. The correct option is B. Wants. He wants to buy a new phone. Question 5. They dash the answer is correct. The correct option is B. Think. They think the answer is correct. Question 6. Don't disturb me. I dash about my project. The correct option is C. Am thinking. Don't disturb me. I am thinking about my project. Question 7. She dash her friend right now. The correct option is A. Is seeing. She is seeing her friend right now. Question 8. I dash the mountains from my window. The correct option is C. I see the mountains from my window. Question 9. He dash a car. The correct option is A. Has. He has a car. Question 10. We dash lunch right now. The correct option is B. Are having. We are having lunch right now. Question 11. She dash happy. The correct option is B. Sounds. She sounds happy. Question 12. This soup dash good. The correct option is C. Tastes. This soup tastes good. Question 13. The chef dash the food now. The correct option is A. Is tasting. The chef is tasting the food now. Question 14. I dash tired. The correct option is C. Feel. I feel tired. Question 15. I dash sick today. The correct option is A. Am feeling. I am feeling sick today. Question 16. He dash some noise. The correct option is B. Hears. He hears some noise. Question 17. They dash at the stars right now. The correct option is B. Are looking. They are looking at the stars right now. Question 18. She dash tired today. The correct option is C. Looks. She looks tired today. Question 19. I dash her name. The correct option is A. Remember. I remember her name. Question 20. He dash his homework today. The correct option is C. Forgets. He forgets his homework today. Question 21. My friend dash the lesson. The correct option is A. Understands. My friend understands the lesson. Question 22. She dash with you. The correct option is B. Agrees. She agrees with you. Question 23. They dash with the plan. The correct option is B. Disagree. They disagree with the plan. Question 24. I dash to this group. The correct option is C. Belong. I belong to this group. Question 25. She dash very happy today. The correct option is C. Seems. She seems very happy today. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.